here, and today we have another crafting video. I think at this point, a very long time ago, don't know how many years because time is an illusion, I made my yukina Ita bag, which I love this bag. It's so cute, and if you know yukina, of course I got the little cat Ita bag. I just thought it was cute. And I love this bag. However, I've collected more yukinas and cannot fit them all in this bag. And so I thought today would be a good day to take out this insert and make a bigger yukina Ita bag so I have more room to collect more yukina merch. But before we get into the crafting portion of this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe because I post new videos every single week. And yeah, we're just gonna say goodbye to this bag and we're gonna say hello to a brand new yukina Ita bag with more room for more yukina things. Now, do I wish to end this video calling this bag a work in progress? No. The problem I have is, so as you saw, I had those music note rhinestones that I have had like from another project. When I tried to peel them off the previous insert, they broke basically. So I want to get like the music note rhinestones like I had before to kind of fill some space. But I also kind of don't want to fill space because I feel like I'm gonna get more yukina merch. Like, it's just kind of a thing. Like, a lot of these honestly are gifts from friends, so I just foresee more yukinas in my future. But I do love this bag, and I love that I have more space, and especially that I can showcase this giant yukina. That's like my favorite yukina, this big one right here. I'm so happy to finally have it in a bag to show off. And yep. Thank you all so much for watching this week's video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, yes, you! Make sure you hit the subscribe button, it's right there. Woo! And in the comments, let me know what you think I should do to the Ita bag. I've also debated putting lace around the outside maybe, like I did with one of my previous Ita bags. I don't know, I feel like she needs a little more pizzazz, but I don't have other things to provide pizzazz yet. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok to see cosplay content, fashion content, makeup content, all different things kind of all over the place, because that's just kind of what I do. And yep, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!